Sånt ska heta Myrin Terttu.
Today's the 30th of October 2021. We have Norotie Renniensvägen 8 Stekisti here in Myyrmäki, Vantaa, Vantaa in the Helsinki Coast region, Uusimaa, Finland. 6 floors, built in 1972, turning 50 years old in next year, 2022, and the serial number is H28204. It's going to be inspected in 2023. The staircases here were finished in 1973.
Yeah.
But much later than this. So this is maybe not late 1972, but maybe autumn 1972.
Yeah.
And then when this was finished, they realized they still needed more staircases, and then they built the ones that are stakes to CMB now. But there is no logic at all, because these were finished first. These three for CDE should have been ABC.
Yeah.
And they should have been D and E, where it's A and B now.
Yeah.
So there's no logic at all there.
Yeah.
We can do a second design and try it.
Yes, sit bara liften stått med det par kilo.
That's it, and thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the staircase E here, and I'm going to also film the staircase.
That's
filming.